My name is Ruby Parker. I'm an energy medicine practitioner and the program director at Sanctuary at Sedona. Rites of Passage and ceremonies are symbolically marking events in our lives that represent a transition from one state to another. In the sense of recovery, it marks a transition of an unhealthy lifestyle into a sober, healthy way of living. The Sanctuary at Sedona is a holistic addiction recovery center offering many healing modalities, both traditional and non-traditional. Rites of Passage can support these modalities by offering a transformational experience of personal growth, healing, and reintegration. So the ways rites of passage and ceremonies can support the recovery process is through a sense of community, working with individuals who are on the same journey and feeling supported by each other, sharing familiar experiences with each other. Also through spiritual growth, people begin to look at what their beliefs are, what their values are, and how they want to carry that forward in their life. And also through a sense of personal empowerment, feeling like you've accomplished something, moving from one way of being into a new way of being, and acknowledging that for yourself. And also through mindfulness, through meditation, through deep breathing. All of these help us to really be present in our lives, moment by moment.